My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Qqmt. Qqmt is the new ransomware that is the representative of the DJVU ransomware family. QQ ransomware is able to essentially damage the files which people store on their computers, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be damaged pretty easily because of vulnerabilities in the defense of the specific computer. This Qqmt ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then especially after people restart their computers or sign out and sign in again, they soon realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The data gets encrypted by this Qqmt ransomware. And so now you can clearly see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. When you try to open the specific file, you get this message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Qqmt extension. And removing this extension manually doesn't fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this Qqmt ransomware. As usual, the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data restored. What we recommend you to do, well, first thing you should do is check the task manager of your computer. If you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, you should terminate them. Typically, these are the processes with some long random names, like this one. This is the process of this Qqmt ransomware, so right-click on it and end its task. This will help you to stop the further file damage. Then we recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install Combo Cleaner, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Then the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And at the lapse of some time, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. But the scanning, of course, should take several minutes. I would say it depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may also depend on some other factors too. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. Therefore, you need to wait some time until the scanning is over. So then you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.